Good morning, dear students. This is Rajkumar Shivare, PGT Mathematics at MLZS Jhansi. Students, today we are going to start new topic, and the topic is maxima and minima and their applications. So in this we will study about applications of maxima and minima. So here is the question. Find the maximum area of a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 5. Find the maximum area of right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 5. So this is the diagram, right angle triangle, right angle at B, and whose two sides are x and y, and hypotenuse given as 5. So hypotenuse is fixed. Okay, so in using Pythagoras theorem we will form an equation between x, y and 5. So in this way, x square plus y square equal to 5. Given this is our given condition. Now area of this right angle triangle is given by half base into height. So area equal to half base into height, and this to be maximized, area to be maximized. Okay, now we have to substitute a value from equation first into second. So here the values of x and y are in square position. So in this equation we have to squaring both the sides. So a square equal to 1 by 4 x square into y square. Now let us consider a square as a z. So z equal to 1 by 4 x square, and replace this y square from equation first as y square equal to 25 minus x square. So replace y square by 25 minus x square. Okay, now open the bracket, you will get 25 by 4 x square minus 1 by 4 x to the power 4. Now from here we are ready to differentiate. Okay, so differentiating both the side with respect to x, differentiate both the side with respect to x, that is dz over dx, and differentiation of x square will be 2x. 2 and 4 will cancel each other. So 25 by 2 x minus differentiation of x to the power 4 will be 4x cube. 4 and 4 will cancel out, and x cube will left only. Right, now for maxima or minima, put dz over dx equal to 0. Okay, now come to the next page. So next page will be 25 by 2 is equals to x square. Now from here the value of x will be square root of 25 by 2, which is equals to 5 by root 2. Now so this is the value of x. Now put this value of x in equation first. Put x equal to 5 by root 2 in equation first. We will get y square plus 25 by 2 equal to 25. Shift this quantity to right side. After solving you will get y square equal to 25 by 2, and y will be 5 by root 2. So these are the two sides of the right angle triangle, this one and this one. These are the two sides of the right angle triangle. Now to show that area is maximum, we have to differentiate twice. Okay, so we have to differentiate this quantity, this equation we have to differentiate twice. Okay, so d square z over dx square, and 25 by 2, the differentiation of x will be 1, and the minus differentiation of x cube will be 3x square. So this will be 25 by 2 minus 3x square. Right, here is the double differentiate. Now put the value of x here. We have to show that this is positive or negative. So put the value of x. So the value of x is 5 by root 2. The square of that will be 25. 25 3 is 75. 75 by 2. Now it is clear that this value will be less than 0. Minus 50 by 2, that is minus 25. So this is less than 0. So it shows that area is maximum when the sides are this and this. Okay students, I hope that this video will help you to do the problem based on maxima or minima. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.